Hey, what's up, party people? The last 2 weeks have been pretty exhausting. A lot of work. So yesterday I got into something that irritated my eyes. It was those boys in Louisville. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? And that's Visined up. You should see it when it's not. I look like the freaking Diablo. That's the devil. And now I came to the DMV because I was late. We were all running around with... And my car won't start! Son of a mother burger-eating dog-faced cheetah man! I'm just kidding. We're planning to go to New York in the end of March. This is God's way of seeing that I get something fixed to my car before we go. So, I am waiting for the cavalry. I am waiting for the wife. So we can just go home and chill. I gotta figure out what is wrong with this car. You know what? When life gives you lemons, just talk about it on YouTube. And drink lemonade. Woohoo! Does it get any better? I am living the dream.
First up, we got the dad, Tony. Secondly, the mom known as Amy. Two brothers, Devin and London. Two sisters, Sierra and Cherishing, and I'm still not done. Cause next up in the mix, we got Uncle Josh. And all the other crazies in the mix, that's what's up. So kick back, chill and relax and watch a show. TheFamilySideShow.com, just so you know. The Family Side Show, The Family Side Show. The Family Side, the Family Side Show. The Family Side Show, The Family Side Show. You're watching The Family Side Show, just so you know.
Yeah, hey lady, what's up?
Hi.
Thanks for coming. I probably wanted you to come over and try to start this car a little bit, and I can check and see if my battery's low or something. Well, I don't know.
Like now?
Yeah.
Down the window, it was hilarious.
Today, like at the end of the day, I was walking.
Look on the ground there, a random mark.
Oh, there you go.
We're good to go.
Ready?
I'm stunned. I'm good.
Do we need to send Mathis downstairs? Mm-hmm. We do? We do? Okay.
Come on, that's funny right there.
Don't film me.
We're eating at Hardee's. I love their quesadillas so much.
How do you really kiss you? Stop crying, baby.
I love you so much, baby.
Trish, what the heck?
What? It's the little.
You're blinding all the YouTubers!
Mom!
Stop it! What's up, people? Okay, so the car started on and off. It's definitely got problems. I got the part. See? It's a starter. So today's cold weather function is to put the part in. What I don't have is initiative, but they sell that at the local convenience store in the form of RB. Righteous bull. No. Take the bull by the horns. No. Crap.
She came a long way to see me. You didn't put her life in God's hands or in mine.
Oh.
Ow!
Stop.
Interesting form of speech.
I got it off.
So today's show is replacing the starter. Fail.
Booger-eating mother of all that is bad and old, dirty dog poop. Oh.
The offending member has been removed. Come on, everybody. Dance. Dance.
I want to try this.
Cherish, let it rip. You ain't got no rhythm at all.
Nope. Look. Do you think they roll them in the little dots?
Yes. I can't put that on video.
What?
Peeling here at the auto store.
I said that last time.
Air freshener.
And what did you say about when I said someday you'll be here with a broken car and more than air fresheners will be your...
What'd you say? I said, make my husband do it.
I want you to know that that is sexist.
I don't know what that means. No, I didn't. You're here doing it.
Fix my car.
No.
Fix my car. Anything a woman can do, a man can do. Anything a man can do, a woman can do. Fix it.
No thanks. I choose not to fix the car. Not because I can't, but because I choose not to.
Sexist.
Okay, you want to know what love is?
No.
Standing out in the freaking cold with my husband while he does that.
Baby, I'm making the world go round right now. Sexy, and I know it. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. What did you just say to them? I edit the video, so I'm going to get to hear it. It's not that you're going to fix the car. You're going to fix the car. Tony got to fix the car.
I don't complain about it though. Have you heard me complain one time?
I never said you complain. Who said you complain? I'll kick their freaking...
I think one of the reasons our marriage is successful is because of no debt.
Yeah, but there was a time when we were stupid little kids.
Yeah, but we're past that. Okay, we ready? What are you gonna do?
New starter. Test 1. So far, no smoke.